All right, man, since my Can-Am is in the shop, man, I'm about to give my little quad some love. We're going to install these rock lights, give it a little underglow at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna check that out real soon. Get this install in. All right, we got them all laid out. Now we're going to make sure we got power. There we go. There we go.
Thank you, sir.
Out here at Cycle Gear, man. Got to get a new battery. About to drop this small, little, tiny battery. A little wiggle room. All right, man, it's reveal time. Let's see how these lights look. Got the switch. Damn. My boy said 8 pods is too many, man. Nah, boy. I got lights everywhere. I think 8 is cool. 8 is enough. We glowing out here. We glowing out here.